Hello, welcome back to another day in my life where I'm flying to Mumbai to attend Now Bharat Influencers Award 2024 where I'm nominated as well in health category of course. तो मैं जीत रही हूँ या नहीं ये देखने के लिए एंड तक वीडियो ज़रूर देखें. Along with that, I'll be sharing 5 beliefs which I have deeply ingrained while growing up. I have a flight to catch at 4:50 a.m. and after 4 hours of sleep, this is how I look. My days always starts and ends with patience, and here I am getting ready to go to the airport. Beginning with the first belief which I have ingrained is that this world is not safe and you have to find support of a man or elder one to find comfort. Well, if you are a girl, you would know how rigorous training we all have been given so that few years down the line we could mold ourselves into new family. Somehow this idea always used to terrify me, which made me become a rebel kid, rejecting the idea of a marriage as a whole. I was like, why would I want to put myself into that uncomfortable position? Why do I want to serve people that way? But now that I am in my early 30s, I know that of course it's a new phase. I plan to enter. It's terrifying, but with the right person and our added efforts, where everyone from the family is willing to put on efforts, imagine how beautiful that marriage is going to be. I have always been a beach person and say hello to this beautiful Juhu beach, and this made me remind the second belief which I have been told, that you have to get married in order to travel from one place to another. You would know how the idea of safety is taught to us in initial years of upbringing. Initially, I used to see marriage as an escape to life I want to live. Then the idea sold out to me saying how everything gets better after finding your one. My fight for rights began at an early age, and finally, after decades, I have reached to a stage where I no longer seek permission from my elders and do whatever sound true to myself. By the way, we have reached to our beautiful room in this property which is called as Taj by the trees, and while I'm giving you a room tour, it makes me think of third belief that says that you are a weirdo if you use limited words and energy towards other people and love to spend time and stay on your own. As a child, I wasn't given a room of my own. सिंगल वाला रूम तो मुझे एमबीबीएस में जाके मिला, एंड पीपल वर लाइक अकेले रूम में जाके करोगे क्या. Cut to here, I am in my 30s feeling extremely at peace with myself when I'm alone, and in real sense I enjoy my own company. It's time to do a workout, and that brings to my fourth limiting belief, which says that you have to fall in a certain weight range to be healthy. While I am relishing this amazing pesto cheese pizza, let me tell you my weight struggles. So I have always fall towards the lower scale of BMI due to my genetics, and my body finds it really difficult to put on weight. In the family gatherings, I have always mocked on this, said things which are not, I feel, with a good intent. But cut to here, I have entered 2024 with one goal, that I wanted to put on strength and healthy weight. I have found my best friend and my fitness trainer Harshita, and here I am after 9 months, and I can say that I have put 4 kg weight and importantly gained strength, consistency, and my health. Getting ready for the main event, and this made me remember my fourth limiting belief, which says that you shouldn't dress up, and if you are and applying makeup, that is probably you are doing to attract lot of eyeballs and male attention, to be precise. I have grown up in an environment where I wasn't allowed to put on makeup or wear certain clothes. Cut to these days where I no longer seek validation from others. You can see me doing full face of makeup, wearing primer, foundation, blush, eyeshadow for the very first time by myself. And mind you, I no longer wish to grab any male attention or any attention, even for that matter. I genuinely love to get dressed up and show up for myself. And here we are at the main event. Look at this. Can you believe that I'm doing this for the very first time?
Psychologist as well as a holistic health practitioner. With her extensive experience, she offers online consultations for women worldwide, addressing a range of reproductive health issues. Dr. Mitali's personal journey of overcoming painful periods and weight struggles has fueled her passion for empowering others to achieve optimal health through life changes and gut health awareness. Congratulations, Dr. Mithali.
मिताली मैम आप स्माइल भी कर सकते हैं, दैट्स ग्रेट फॉर हेल्थ।
सामने इसे छू लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा।
And final question. First award, how are you feeling from inside and has become music? Please tell us.
I don't know what to say, but I feel it will take me so many days to actually process this. Like the next coming time, so yeah, it takes me like
Thank you. I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful experience. How was the experience inside of Bharat as completing 90 years and felicitating all the almost 90 years of Macy's Outlet? How was it? Thank you so much for being with us. So this is Mithali Rathod. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As I just tell you, stay tuned with us. We have Mithali Rathod, who has just won this amazing experience award. A big, big congratulations to you, Mithali. So now, Mithali, I will be shortly asking you this. Can you please hold on to your breath? Second question now comes here first. This is due to the health issues. So,
And just like that, we won Nav Bharat Influencers Award 2024 in health category. I'm super grateful for my manager and the people around me who have captured all of these beautiful, beautiful moments for myself. रात को 12 बजे तक इधर उधर घूमते हुए थक के चूर हो गई थी मैं, but still my heart is so full and you can see how I'm glowing after having 12 hours of my beauty sleep. Actually 12 hours तो नहीं थे, but I can say that I slept straight for 7 to 8 hours like a mad person. I got ready and went out for having some beautiful breakfast. I'm having chotu sa paneer paratha and this was like chef's kiss. ट्रस्ट मी, जब मैं ये सबटाइटल्स ऐड कर रही हूँ, वॉइस ओवर रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, तब भी आई कैन फील द टेस्ट इन माई माउथ. This dosa, on the contrary, was little bit spicy for me, so I couldn't finish it as a whole. And that makes me remind of my last belief, which says that if you are a woman, your core function is to settle down and nurture your family and keep your ambitions aside. आई थिंक इसके ऊपर मैं पूरी ज़िंदगी बात कर सकती हूँ, बट मे बी ऑन सम अनदर डे, अनदर व्लॉग. My legs and my whole body might be very very tired, but at this point my heart is so full. और इसके साथ we are almost reach at the end of the vlog. मैं वापस घर जा रही हूँ after 36 hours. And you can spot our award, the beautiful award. And this is the time, this is the moment to bid a final goodbye to this beautiful room. I'm surely going to miss this a lot, but it's time to go back to babies, patience, routine life, exercising, showing up for myself, and becoming that highly ambitious, beautiful, gorgeous woman of my dream first. यहाँ आने से पहले कुछ घंटे पहले वी हैड न्यूज़ ऑल ओवर द सोशल मीडिया saying that the weather is really going to be terrifying with heavy flood like situation, rain storm in the Mumbai. But still I was like, nahi, this is going to be my first award event and there are high chances that I might win. So at any cost and at any point I just wanted to go there, see everything by myself, and I am so glad I took that leap of faith. वापस जाते टाइम बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजीब लग रहा है एंड अगेन द वेदर स्टार्टेड वेदरिंग. इट्स हेवीली रेनिंग आउटसाइड एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एटमॉस्फेयर फ्लाइट्स ऑल्सो गेट डिलेड. नाउ हियर कम्स द कैच. मैं ये प्लान करके आई थी दैट आई रीच बाई 4:35 एंड आई टेक केयर ऑफ द इवनिंग ओपीडी विच आई यूजुअली डू. But I find myself in heavy guilt, especially on those days where I fail to create balance between my content creation and my doctor's duty. गुजरात आने के साथ ही आई कुड स्पॉट द क्लियर स्काई एंड द ब्यूटिफुल शाइनिंग ब्राइट सन. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था. दिस वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल शाइनिंग ब्राइट प्लेजेंट इवनिंग. लेकिन नेचर हैज़ सम अनदर प्लान, और ऐसा मैंने लास्ट मोमेंट पे सोचा दैट लेट्स जस्ट टेक एन ऑटो। घर जाते जाते बहुत ही ज़्यादा बारिश यहाँ पे भी होना स्टार्ट हो गया। एंड माई फ्रेंड, इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग इट टिल हियर, आई लव you so much. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one for sure. Bye.